khumchari nisidi se lapu manase mufuna akangba se akoi hangi pui pasina sinaramba dak amani lokanna khubam nda nasiga manase am phabane. Yes, I'm going to show you. This is banana leaf, dry banana leaf. It's a natural remedy. This is a natural remedy for cough. It's natural remedy for cough. Take this like this, like it. This dry banana leaf is used for fever, wound healing, applied topically. You know this dry banana leaf has a bacterial expectorant property. Help loosen and clear your mucus from lungs and airways. There's anti-inflammation effect, smoothing irritation and discomfort. And it also has antimicrobial properties, combat bacterial and viral infection that may cause coughing. Oh yeah, yes, this banana leaf. It has demulcent property, from protective barrier on the mucous membranes, reducing irritation, and it also has antitussive property, help reduce the urge of coughing. So what you have to do is just you have to boil this dryly, and it will cure your stubborn coughing. Okay, let's go and start boiling this one. It's nice view. Put some ginger. Ginger. Wow. Kanagumba lokana thuraga phabangamdre harabati mashi lapoi ki manasi phutlaga thakpio. Jam phabne. Those who have stubborn cough, this dry banana leaf is a natural remedy, best for stubborn cough. It tastes good. I added ginger along with that dry banana leaf. Yes, it's smoothing my throat, so it's good. When you drink this dry banana leaves along with the ginger, it will help loosen and clear mucus from the lungs and airways. Hmm. This dry banana leaf will combat bacterial and viral infection that may be causing cough. Huh. This dry banana leaf has anti-tussive properties, help reduce the urge of coughing. So guys, this is our Naga primitive medicine which cure stubborn cough. It's a natural remedy. Thank you for watching.